Hi there, myself Shashikant for the Smart City project, and the project is about monitoring the toxic emission of your car remotely. So what is the problem? The problem is if you own a car, then you need to go to the PSU to get the pollution certificates, which will be valid for the next 6 months. Within the 6 months, you have to renew that certificate. But in case if you forget to renew your certificate and you get caught by the traffic police, then they will fine you heavily. So we are proposing a solution to that. Why don't install a small sensor in the muffler of your silencer, which will sense the carbon monoxide and other toxic gases, and this data will be sent to the SAP HANA cloud platform. We have a logic level where the data is being validated. If it is above or below the resolve value. If it is below the resolve value, then this is okay. But once the user crosses the resolve value, then an alert will be generated, which will notify the user as well as the concerned authority. Let's talk about the prototyping. This is MQ7 carbon monoxide sensor. It is installed within the muffler of the silencer, from where it collects the carbon monoxide value and it redirects the value to the Arduino board, and which we have connected over Ethernet shield to the internet, and this data is being redirected to the SAP HANA cloud platform. As you can see on the screen, we have the sensor number along with the corresponding value with the timestamp.
I am Associate Professor from School of Computer Engineering, KIT University, Bhubaneswar, and my students are going to test their equipment on my vehicle.
So this is the entire setup, and we have installed this setup within the Prachit sir's car. So let's give it a boost. So this is the MQ7 sensor over here, and we are going to put that sensor with the silencer, and we are going to sense how much emission toxic level we are going to get. So
You should be careful your hand.
So this is the carbon monoxide level that we are getting. That is 211, which is changing. You can see the graph as well. So in this way, we implemented SAP HANA cloud platform, and we redirected the data from the Arduino to the localhost and then to the IoT cockpit. So here are the data that are being transmitted to the HANA cloud platform. See the sensor number and the corresponding value with the timestamp. The goal that we are going to achieve with this project. Let's say there are 270 million registered car in India, and the average cost of getting the pollution certificate is around 160 rupees. So 160 multiplied with 270 million automobiles is around 43 billion Indian rupees. So on an average of 6 months, 43 billion rupees are spent to renew that certificate. Now let's say if we implement this sensor within the car, and which will be a one-time payment cost of about 2,000 to 2,500 rupees, then the entire cost is going to be reduced, and the proposed model can even be installed within the OBD port, which is available at the dashboard of the car which are manufactured after 2007. So hope that we conveyed our message through this video. Thank you.